こんにちは皆さん。私はWu Sensei desu. So we're gonna do a Japanese snack unboxing. If you've never heard of Japan Crate before, they have a website and you can order these different boxes that come with a variety of Japanese snacks and you get to try out different things. So this one's actually several years old and it's just been sitting out in my pantry, but I thought it would be kind of a fun cultural experience to see what was in the box. And then we're also going to make one of the mixed candies that's in the box. So let's see what there is. So back when I was buying the Japan crates, it would always come with these little magazines. I'm not sure if it still does, but sometimes they have comics inside and they always have descriptions of the snacks that you get. So this one is all the way back from 2016. It's quite old, but let's take a look. And you do open these books from right to left, which is traditionally how Japanese books are read. So it's kind of keeping with that culture. They give you a description of each of the items inside, so you know what it is, even if you cannot read the characters. Look, it's cactar. Then usually in the end of the book, they always include how to create or how to make the do-it-yourself candy that's included in the box, because the directions are usually written in Japanese. So first up we have watagashi, and this is Japanese cotton candy. This says miruku kohi, milk coffee. This one's shaped like a key. So depending which type of box you get, you also get a drink of some sort. This one happens to be apple flavored. It says ringo. Japan is known for all sorts of flavors of Kit Kats. This one's called Raki Cone. Lucky corn. So most of the boxes that I've ever gotten from Japan Crate always have some sort of potato chips, and they have the most interesting flavors. This one looks to be a butter flavor. It's a little cookie. This is Ichigo Mugi. Ichigo means strawberry. If you watch anime at all, you probably know of a character named Ichigo, and that's because of the color of his hair. So sometimes the Japan Crate boxes would include little prizes in them. This one happened to have one from Zelda. It's a little lanyard. I've gotten these quite a bit in Japan Crates as well, and it's usually sort of a Cheeto consistency, like a puffy snack, and they're usually kind of savory. This box seems to have a lot of apple flavored things in it. This one is a gummy candy. You can see gumi. Here we have a candy bar. Oh, it looks like a Rice Krispie. And it says here choco, which means chocolate. We've got another gumi. This one is orange flavored. Here's another gumi. This one is soda flavored. Some Pikachu gum. In Japan, it's considered impolite to spit out food like gum, so usually their gum is edible. And of course, the most exciting thing we got, the little washing machine set that you can mix the candy in. And we're gonna see this here in a few minutes. All right, so here's our washing machine box, and it looks like you can get different colors of washing machines. This one happens to be blue. So, on the back it has the instructions in Japanese, and then in the little booklet it also came with English instructions if you don't understand Japanese. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. So it looks like we have some powder, a little straw, and then the parts of our washing machine. Okay, so first thing we want to do is build our washing machine. It also comes with little stickers, you can decorate it. Let's see, I think it says here how to put it together. Yeah, there's a little diagram. First thing is the base, and then we want to put this gear right here. And then we have this drum, like where you would wash stuff. And we'll go in this middle section and connects to the gear. It's in there. And then the washing machine goes on top. And it has a little scoop for like your detergent, and that can clip right here, maybe. Yeah, like that. Let's go ahead and decorate our washing machine a little bit. They don't have a picture of how to do that. I guess you're just supposed to choose. Oh, maybe on the side. Oh, maybe up top here, like where the button is. Yeah. I think I just made it so I can't open it. Okay, there we go, fixed it. Got some little sparkles, I think I'll add those later. Okay, so looks like next thing we're supposed to fill it to the line with water. I'm not sure what line they're talking about. There's a really tiny line all the way at the bottom. I'm assuming maybe that's what they're talking about. Let's see here. Maybe I'll use this straw. I think I got it. Here we go, we got some water in our washing machine. Then we're supposed to put in 2 scoops of the Mokomoko powder and close the lid. I feel like one of those people doing those mini food videos. Okay, so we close the lid and then we spin. There's a little like a turn lever over here.
A few moments later.
You can see it's starting to rise up a little bit. There we go. Okay, interesting. So it says you can insert the straw and enjoy it. So I know this is really expired, but that's okay. I'm gonna try it anyway. That's a really strange flavor. Sort of reminds me of like soda, but I don't know. It's kind of a, I don't know how to describe it. It says it's yogurt flavor. Yogurto. Well, even though it tastes a little strange, at least it's fun to make. ありがとう皆さん。さよなら。